In this video, you'll learn how to cut cake into layers using a crazy easy trick. Cutting straight cake layers has never been easier. Let's get started. Start with a completely chilled cake. To be sure your cake is cold, pop it into the refrigerator about 30 minutes before attempting to cut it. To cut cake into layers, start by making an even shallow score around the entire cake where you plan to cut it. You'll need a long, sharp knife. You can use either a knife with teeth, called a serrated knife, or just a large sharp knife. Making a shallow cut around the entire cake like I've just done is also the first step if you'd like to use a large knife to cut your cake in half. It's easier to make an even cut when you're making a shallow cut. However, I know that some of you might still find it challenging to keep your knife straight while cutting through the entire cake, and so I'm going to show you a little magic trick today that I learned from my mother-in-law years ago. Here I have a regular heavy-duty sewing thread, and I've cut it to a length of about 3 times the diameter of the cake. Now we're going to use the cut that we previously made as a score. Nestle your string in the shallow cut that you made before around the whole cake, like this. And then when you reach the front, cross the string and nestle that in as well. Now you can wrap the string around your fingers to secure it, and now we simply pull. Boom, perfect layers. And because this is a sponge cake, you'll have a little bit of crumbs, and that's fine. You can just brush them away with your fingers or a pastry brush. Using the thread takes the stress out of trying to keep your knife flat while cutting cake layers. Also, it works great even for really soft, spongy cakes like this pan de España cake I'm cutting here. Follow these steps for each cake layer, and voila! Your cake is ready for whatever delicious filling you want to use. For instance, an Italian zuppa inglese, or a traditional Italian limoncello cake. Learn how to make both these 2 delicious desserts on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this from Italy and beyond.